Guys, behind me just across the bridge is the Fabrik, which is like the Christmas gift factory. It looks a bit like a Santa's factory. Here, right in the centre of Moscow, I'm going to take you across, I'm going to take you inside, show you around. Apparently it's going to be magical. I've never been. First time reaction. Are you ready? Let's go. Could you please hit subscribe? It'll really help me out. This bridge is really interesting. This is where people in love, they come and they seem to tie on these padlocks and things like that in the hope of their love never ending. Look, someone's round here actually doing it. Arina, what are you doing?
Nothing to see here.
Why are you putting a padlock on this padlock tree?
No reason at all. What are you doing here?
I'm going to the Santa's factory just across here. Remember you told me about it?
Yes. Yeah. Santa's factory.
Do you fancy coming with me?
Yes.
It's quite a good coincidence that you were here actually.
I know, what a coincidence. Who would have thought?
Alright, Arina, tell us where we are, what we're going to see today.
Okay, well this thing is a part of Winter in Moscow festival. So there is a free ice skating rink here. But the only thing that costs is if you are renting the ice skates. They're like 200 rubles. Which is
about £2, almost nothing.
Yeah. And the huge factory.
There we go. Fabrika Pодарков. I called it Fabrik. So that's
the other way.
I got my grammar wrong, but that's what it looks like, and it is indeed open. How many times have we been here?
We've been here twice,
and it was closed.
Yeah.
Should we check out the ice skating? Look at this. Wow. We'll join the line. All right, we got a Christmas tree. We got some game that's happening here, I'm not even sure.
Just the website open, just open.
Oh no, these people are queuing for the photographs. I think we can just go straight in.
Yeah.
Alright, these people are queuing. Oh, do we need to buy tickets now?
That's the thing that I wanted, the map.
Right, let's go. Arina spotted something that she wants. What is it?
There is this thing, an activity. You get a map, and then when you visit 14 places that are on the map, you get a free...
In Moscow?
Yeah, in Moscow. You get a free speaker. Like speaker.
Like a Bluetooth speaker?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Right, Arina's going to go get this map. Look, Pochta Russia means Russian post office. Oh yeah, it's like a proper house window he's got on that. Alright.
So,
check it out.
This is called Winter Trip. Wait. So you need to visit, this is a map, you visit, for example, 4 places on the map, and you get tea. If you visit 8 places, you get something else, and if you visit 14 places, you get a speaker. So you have to.
What do you need to do when you get there?
You just need to get stamp.
So
one is already stamped.
Ah, right. And is it just like to promote Moscow or something?
To promote, because you go to different museums.
Right,
you have to visit different museums, and then they give you stamps.
Right, okay, let's go inside this factory. Alright, Arina, we're inside the factory. What happens now? This is the bit for ice skating, is it? Like, should we just go over and look? That lady looks serious in the uniform. This is where people get their ice skates from. Are you going to ice skate?
You have to...
oh, you have to register?
You have to register.
Right.
Because a lot of people... Because it's free.
Last time I ice skated was an absolute... It was just public humiliation, if I'm being honest.
I think you need to do it again.
I think I had weak ankles. My ankles kept collapsing. I should say that. I don't want to ruin my alpha male.
You do have a very slim ankles. Jim always keeps the leg.
I'm like a greyhound. I only carry what I need. Look at this. It's like a fake waterfall. Look at that. It's not. It's like a chain link fence. Another part of Santa's factory. I'm not sure what that does, but it's pretty cool. And some more of the machinery that turns. Have a look.
This is really cute.
Очень мило.
Очень.
Arina, do you want to tell everybody what just happened?
No, the lady came in front of us. I thought she was cutting in line, and I was like, "Excuse me, there's a line." And she goes, "Yeah, I know, I'm in it."
She's also with a child though, so.
Well,
Arina, you've just ruined Christmas. Get in there. Right, Arina's going to make a wish. This is a machine. You make a wish. You type it in. It comes down here. We're waiting for it to come back. Put it in the tube, check it out, close it down. Now, Arina says I'm not allowed to film her wish in case it doesn't come true, and I'm going to respect her wishes. Hey, let's go, what's going to go?
it's going to descend in 7.
There we go. Arina's wish is off to Santa Claus.
Father Frost.
Father Frost.
I don't trust Santa Claus.
You don't trust who? Santa Claus?
Yeah, I don't trust
Why?
him.
Is he the
Because
enemy?
he sees you when you're sleeping.
Now what's usually in this building?
I think they just put it here for this thing.
No, the whole glass thing must have been here, no?
I don't know.
Has this only been built for Christmas? Guys, tell me in the comments, was this glass building here before, or is it just... Ah, look, there's gifts on the conveyor belt. Wow. Right guys, we're going to go into the Yandex market and see what they're selling. Let's go inside, shall we? Look, we got some mushrooms.
Oh.
But what are these for?
It's just presents.
Just presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you're not gonna eat them.
Don't get me one, please. Just put money in an envelope if you ever get me anything, Arina.
I'll get you this, that you can sleep with it.
Right. Look at these mirrors, they're quite cool.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Mirror with, oh man, it's like a bath mat. Used to get the mats in like bathrooms, completely unhygienic. Gotta be honest, I'm not one of the YouTubers that just pretend to love everything. Being in like a shopping type environment and let's see what. Oh my god. I hate shopping. I hate browsing. But I wanted to make this video for you. I think I should go upstairs, but I think that might be better. I'm sure you guys probably want to see the shops, but I just don't know who. People that want to go to shops and just walk around looking at stuff slowly, just for fun. Right, rant over. It's Christmas, be positive. Just a little panning shot. If this whole place has been put here just for Christmas, it's quite impressive. Right, we're on to the top floor, there's less people here. Two of my least favourite things is shops and lots of people. Right, it's a bit of a canteen here. Maybe we need to get some food. Look what they've got. I think we need to get some food if we can get a table. Let's have a walk around. This looks pretty cool though, I do like this. Onward, I've lost Arina, she's somewhere in the Yandex marketplace. I think this is like Greek food. And we might have a good view of the ice skating here. I'll take you up to the window. Look at that. go. Russians are just good at ice skating. Ah, see that? I can see a guy there. You get little penguins that you can push along if you're not good at it. I'd need to get one of those. There's no, somebody film me, and there's no way this has just been built just for Christmas time. This building must have been here, surely. Let's check it out from the other side. And can we go through there? Oh wow, there's things that shoots through those tubes. That's some of the gifts. It's a bit like Willy Wonka's factory in the original movie. Remember is it the fat kid gets stuck? I can't remember now. He gets stuck in one of these tubes. Obviously the tube was bigger, but oh, there we go. Look.
It's really hot in here.
It's really, really hot, isn't it? How are you enjoying your experience?
People are drinking beer here.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, shocking. That could be the... people drink beer in Moscow.
Burger.
There's a big burger. Right,
This is really cool.
I've already showed it while you were in Yandex. Did you get anything you like?
I mean, it's really cutesy. Everything there looks really cute, but it's kind of, I think it's kind of overpriced. And plus, it's nothing I need. I don't know, maybe I'll get something for my mom. I'm still contemplating. I was thinking, do I want to
Oh, don't say that in case you don't buy it, because then in case she watches the video.
No, she doesn't speak English, it's fine. Because I'm not sure I want to spend a lot of money on my mom, you know. You know how moms are.
You do know this video has subtitles though? Does it not have Russian subtitles?
No, she said it doesn't work.
Ah, there you go. Sorry Russians. Wow, look.
How is it holding up?
Oh, I think it's probably stuck on. I think it's just a prop, you know. It's not really.
Well done.
Look at
I thought
that.
it was magic.
Arina thought it was Matt. Stand there.
I thought it was...
Do the shock face. Do that one. Look, here's some of Santa's elves. They're wrapping presents.
Yeah.
Nice. So annoying, people try to get content, getting in my way. I can't stand them, these influencers.
It says Сделано.
Right, what does it say, Arina?
Сделано в Москве. Made in Moscow.
Ah, right. But делать is the infinitive of to do or to make.
To do or to make, and
Just said that.
Сделано. Сделано means it's already made. If you add s
Yeah.
before, it means it's already done.
Wow, nice.
It's been made.
What's this, Santa's magazine?
Yeah.
It's on page 3. No, nothing. Okay. What's this, Arina?
So our Ded Moroz, right? Who you got?
Which is Santa Claus.
Yeah. He lives in Великий Устюг. Великий Устюг is a town in Russia. But you can send him the letter, but you can also QR code and find out what to write for him. So you can
so you
connect
could just,
him digitally.
He's got Wi-Fi up there?
Yeah, our Santa Claus is really cool.
Right, okay, wow. But there's more of Santa's presents being transported. Along that line. Alright guys, we've came outside to get a better view of the ice skating. Check this horse out, it's an inflatable horse. You can go underneath it as well, look.
Oh look, that's for people who can't ice skate. You see the little thing?
Yeah, I'd probably need to get one of those things. Sometimes it's a penguin on the red square. Looks like a sheep with a bow tie on. That's what I would need. Guys, we spotted like a lifeguard for the ice that we're calling him. He's just coming. Arina told me to take a video of him. See this guy in the red? He just goes around.
His job is having fun.
It's like Baywatch but for ice skating, isn't it?
Another one, look.
Look.
They should be wearing swimsuits now.
No, too cold for that. Alright Arina, thanks very much for bringing me to Santa's factory. Fabrika, pодарков.
Yes, Фабрика подарков.
You made your wish. Don't tell MD what it is, or it won't come true. All right. Thanks very much for watching. What are you doing for Christmas time?
Oh,
Working?
I'm going home.
Going home.
Christmas is on 7th of January, so...
It's not actually Christmas time for you guys at all. Going for Arina.
Yes, I'm gonna go home to see my family.
Enjoy for Arina. Guys, thanks very much for watching.
Thank you guys for watching from me too.
See you next time.